Today I'm going to show you how to do a screwdriver hack if you don't have a power screwdriver or a power drill with a screwdriver bit. There's a more efficient way that you can unscrew screws in your common areas of your house with an ordinary screwdriver, duct tape, and a piece of string. Let me show you how this works. Okay, it's rather quite simple. Got your screwdriver, any type of string, but you want to have some good tensile strength. All right, tensile strength on that. Make sure it's strong and it doesn't rip. Like some common thread, probably going to break on you. So you want to have maybe a shoelace or any type of like small little thread, or you can double up or triple up the thread like that. Okay. But here, what you're going to do is just place the string right on it. Okay. Really simple. Then you're going to grab some duct tape. And we all have duct tape, right? Love that sound. And then get a good decent piece here. And all you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around that thread that you just dropped right there. Just get it on there. Doesn't have to be pretty, just has to be secure somewhat. Because what you're going to do is use this line to pull down and keep a constant rotation on the screwdriver and on the screw. That makes it efficient. So, as always, if you're going to be removing a screw, loosening it, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. That's what we're always taught in grammar school, right? So, I'm going to take mine, I'm going to loosen it right to left. Right to left. It doesn't matter if your string overlaps one another. Then first off, you want to get your screwdriver into the groove. So this is a flathead screwdriver, not a fillet, which would be at the cross. Get it in there, loosen it up, get it loose a couple times. Then what you want to do is in the cup of your hand, right where all of your skin meets to that dimple, put that right on the plastic end of your screwdriver. That's just to hold it. You're just going to hold it in place. Okay. Once you hold it in place, and I'm going to just remove it, just imagine my hands there, but I'm removing it because of the video. Then slowly keep it in there. What you're going to do now, if you want to tighten it, okay, righty-tighty, so you can take the thread, just loop it and hold your thumb here, but left to right, left to right, left to right. Get it on there. Get it right into your crevice there, your cup, right, the dimple of your hand. Then we're going to put it right on the groove. And then again, slow as smooth, smooth as fast. I'm just going to grip this. Just lightly pull. Look at that, all the way through. Now I can just do a couple more. We're done. So that's a convenient way, a little hack that you can use to make your manual screwdriver more efficient by using a pull line string onto the handle, and you just pull it down and it can loosen or tighten. Okay. We'll see you on the next video.